Anuvasana Basti. Anuvasana Basti contents: objectives, administration of Anuvasana Basti, procedure of Anuvasana Basti, Samyak Yoga Lakshana of Anuvasana, Hina Yoga Lakshana of Anuvasana, Ati Yoga Lakshana of Anuvasana, summary and reference. Objectives: Anuvasana is advised to be given on the same day after Pratyagama of Niruha. Therefore, Anuvasana should be given on the 2nd, 3rd, 5th day. After that, on every 3rd or 5th day, Niruha should be given, followed by Anuvasana. Anuvasana Basti procedure. Anuvasana should always be given just after taking food. Prior to that, Abhyanga and Svedana is to be done. The food should be 3/4 of the normal diet. After food, walking, defecation, micturition are mentioned prior to be therapy. Sneha Basti should not be given after food to Atisnigdha person. It is advised after food in Alpa Sneha. During digestion of food, Anuvasana should not be given as procedure Jwara. After administration of Sneha, buttocks are to be patted by the palm of the physician. The patient is advised to lie in a supine position. Toe joint are to be gently pulled and feet are to be massaged. Heel, toe, calf off, and after the painful part should be massaged with oil. Therefore, the patient is asked to sleep by keeping his head over the pillow. Patient is allowed to stay in supine position up to the time needed. Then the buttock and the leg side of the bed are lifted slowly 3 times. Then patient is asked to speak and work very minimum. Anuvasana Basti Pratyagamana Kala. Generally, Anuvasana Basti retain inside the body for 3 yama, 9 hours. If it return earlier, then another Anuvasana is to be given to achieve desired effect. Samyak Yoga Lakshana. Proper administration of Anuvasana Basti given following symptoms: elimination of Taila with Sakrit, does Prasadana to Raktadi Dhatus Buddhi Indriya, imparts sound sleep, causes lightness and strength in the body, proper manifestation of natural urges without any obstruction. Hina Yoga Lakshana. Improperly administered unconscious enema causes pain in the lower part of the body, abdomen, arms, back and the side of a chest, gives rise to dryness and roughness of the body, and obstruction in the passage of stool, urine and flatus. Ati Yoga Lakshana. Whereas excessively administered unconscious enema causes nausea, unconscious, exhaustion, fainting and gripping. Diet regimen of Anuvasana Basti. After administration of Anuvasana, the patient should be given Drava, Ushna and Patyahara. After intake of food in appropriate quantity, the patient may repeatedly be given Anuvasana in every alternate day. In the next morning, the patient should take Dhanagra Siddha Jala and lukewarm water. Number of Anuvasana: Vataja 9 to 11, Pittaja 5 to 7, Kafaja 3 to 5. Snehapana and Anuvasana should not be practiced simultaneously, as this may hamper Agni and Vata. Anuvasana Basti reference: Charaka Samhita, Sushruta Samhita, Principle and Practice of Panchakarma, Dr. Pulok Kantikar.